Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Crabby the Crab. It was a lovely summer day when Crabby the Crab told his mother that he doesn't want to play with his little sisters anymore. I'm a big crab now. They're little boring babies. I don't want to play with them anymore, said Crabby the Crab. Well, alright, said Crabby the Crab's mother, and added, you don't have to if you don't want to. They are at Mommy Bird's house right now, playing with their friends. You can go and bring them home. Okay, I will, but I won't play with them, replied Crabby the Crab. The road to Mommy Bird's house led through a bench. The sun was high up in the sky. It was very warm. Crabby the Crab carefully went around people and their belongings. Hello, Crabby the Crab. Hello, Crabby the Crab, chirped Mommy Bird cheerfully. Hello, Mommy Bird, replied Crabby the Crab politely. Crabby the Crab's sisters were playing together, the little birds, and they were having a lot of fun. Your little sisters are playing with my children. Look how much of the fun they're having. Would you like to join them? Asked Mommy Bird. No, I'm a big crab now, and I don't play with little babies, replied Baby Crab. It's time to go home. Crabby the Crab told her sisters. Please say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. We had a lovely time together, said Crabby the Crab's little sisters. That's small. Can we please visit the garden before we go home? Asked Crabby the Crab's little sisters. All right, replied Crabby the Crab, but I won't play with you. You are three little babies. Wait, three? I don't see three. I only see two. Oh, there's the third one hiding behind the flowers. Crabby the Crab's sisters took him to the garden and showed him the beautiful flowers. This is where we play, replied one of his sisters. Look how beautiful the flowers are. Now you can also come here and play. This is a very nice garden, replied Crabby the Crab. It looks like a perfect place for having fun. Maybe I will come here with you for some time. Ice cream, watermelon, popsicle. It would be fun to have some ice cream before we go home, said Crabby the Crab's little sisters as they left the beautiful garden. But yes, it would be fun, replied Crabby the Crab. Let's go and pick our favorites. I pick watermelon ice cream, cheerfully, said one little sister. I pick strawberry ice cream, said the other. And the third one took raspberry ice cream. And you, Crabby the Crab, can take 2 ice creams because you're so big, said Crabby the Crab's little sisters. They all laughed and shared ice creams. Crabby the Crab and his little sisters slowly approached their home. Look at this old mourning bollard. It is perfect place to play some hide and seek, said Crabby the Crab's little sisters and started to play. I would love sometime to play some hide and seek with my little sisters, but I already told them I won't play with them because they're little and I'm a big crab, thought Crabby the Crab. Then suddenly one of his sisters shouted, Hey, Big Bladder, let's play together. And Crabby the Crab joined them happily. In front of their home, Crabby the Crab and their little sisters met Auntie Swan. It looks like you're having a great time together, said Auntie Swan. Are you sure we're having a fun time together? Replied Crabby the Crab. I can enjoy time I spend with my little sister, even though I'm a big crab. The end. So you're thinking about these? Well, we don't need to do them. Bye. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!